Hey guys, welcome to Shalini Futique. It's me Shalini. Today I'm going to show you how to make Palkova in authentic traditional way and with a soft texture just like your store-bought Palkova. Let's see. All we need to make our Palkova is milk, sugar and ghee. I'm heating the milk in a heavy bottom pan. The milk started boiling. You need to stir it very often. Silicone spatula is really helpful to scrape out the sides. With wooden spatula I couldn't. And the bottoms too. It's easy to scrape. And it is very important to scrape out the sides, otherwise you will miss one cube of Palkova sticking on your pan. Don't miss it. It is condensed, like from here till here it condensed. We are almost there. Now look, it is forming a layer. All you need to do is scrape out and mash this layer slowly. You should not hurt yourself. That is very important. Just mash it, mash it, mash it, mash it, mash it, mash it. At this time I'm going to add the sugar little by little, not all in one time, just a little. Stir it, evaporate the water, because after adding sugar it will loosen a bit. You have to evaporate that water and then add the sugar and evaporate the water. That's how you need to work for the authentic Palkova. So you will get smooth texture. This is a secret tip. I added all my sugar. See, at this point I'm adding ghee little by little. 1 teaspoon I'm adding now. Mix it well. This ghee will help you to make shapes. And all you need to do is incorporate the ghee inside the Palkova, just like making a halwa. I'm taking 1 more teaspoon. Total 2 teaspoons I added. I might need 1 more teaspoon. Our Palkova is done now. So I'm going to transfer it to a plate and cool it. This is what I got from 2 liters of milk. It is around 200 grams. It will come, yeah. 200 grams to 220 grams of Palkova. See the texture? It's really good and it is little warm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it interesting for my kids. Our Palkova is ready. I packed it in paper and also you can make like a cake. Try it and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching.